Chanko nabe is a type of Japanese hot pot that is closely associated with sumo. This hearty dish, which supports sumo wrestlers' large size and strength, is easily misunderstood to make your body fat. But it is actually a perfect athlete meal that aligns with the principles of health. The reason why the wrestlers are big is they eat a lot, like 10,000 kilocalories per day. Chanko nabe is made with meat, seafood, tofu, and a lot of vegetables. Its nutritional value is high in protein and low in calories. Ingredients are similar in water or broth, which allows ingredients to extract nutritional elements like vitamins and minerals into the soup. And wrestlers eat all of the soup, which contributes to health benefits. Chanko refers to all dishes prepared by sumo wrestlers in the sumo stable. The origin of Chanko is not known for sure, but one leading theory is the relationship between the stable master and the students in the sumo stable. The master is called Chan, meaning father, and the students are called Ko, meaning children. And the name Chanko came about because the master and the students eat together. The association of Chanko with nabe, hot pot, is believed to have originated in the stable Dewanomi bear. At the end of Meiji era, Dewanomi bear had so many sumo wrestlers that hot pot was ideal dish to serve large number of wrestlers. Sumo wrestlers traditionally use chicken for Chanko nabe's ingredients. This is because of a superstition that using a meat of four-legged animals like beef or pork brings bad luck, as it is associated with losing by landing with hands. Chicken, on the other hand, being a two-legged animal, is considered auspicious because they always stand with 2 feet. However, in modern times, pork and beef are also used to prevent diners from getting tired of the same flavors.